Okay, so we're going to take our piece of paper and our plate, and we're going to take a pencil and trace around the plate so that we have a circle. Now that we've done that, we're going to cut it out. After we've cut out our circle, we're going to take a used or old sponge and we're going to cut it into 3 pieces. Now you're going to wet your sponges and dab it onto a paper towel so they're not as wet. Now we're going to take our wet sponges and we're going to take our red, orange, and yellow paint and we're going to put the sponge in the yellow paint or any color you want, and we're going to start dabbing the sponge with the paint on it onto our circle that we cut out before. And you're going to repeat that with all the colors. Now that we've done our main piece, which is the circle, we're going to draw out a few pieces that will form the turkey's body. So we're going to draw a circle and then make 2 lines curving downward from that circle to create the turkey's head. And then you can erase that line in between. Then after that, we're going to draw a beak, which is just a triangle. Then we're going to draw the eyes, which we'll make 2 circles for. Now we're going to draw a little squiggly line that almost looks like a raindrop, which will make the whittle, which is the thing that hangs from the beak on a turkey. Now we're going to take some crayons. You're going to need a black, red, yellow, and brown crayon. We're going to take our brown crayon and color in the turkey's head. So what I did is I traced out over the pencil with my crayon, and then I colored it in. Now we're going to take our yellow crayon and trace the beak of the turkey and color that in as well. And we're going to do the same thing to color in the whittle with a red crayon. And then for the eyes, what we're going to do is we're going to make 2 little circles inside the circles that we drew with a pencil. What we're going to do now is we're going to take a scissor and we're going to cut out all of our different shapes. It might be easier to cut out the pieces separately rather than keeping them all connected. Now we're going to take our pieces and we're going to take a glue stick. And now that our paint has dried, we're going to glue down our pieces. So first we're going to take the head of the turkey and we're going to glue the back. After you've covered the turkey with glue, we're going to flip it back over and we're going to put it on the bottom. Make sure that the bottom is sticking out off the plate or your circle. Now we're going to repeat those steps with the rest of the turkey pieces. So for the eyes, I'm just gluing on top of the head, and then I'm going to stick those down. And same thing for the whittle. Make sure you put the whittle down first, and then we'll put the beak on top of it. Now one last step is to flip the whole thing over, and we're going to trim off the bottom of the head so that it goes along with the circle that we made before. And there you go. We have our turkey.